Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the granny squares in this tree plaid blanket. I'm also going to link below the written pattern, which includes the graph and a link on how to join the granny squares. I am going to start with the solid square first, so we are going to start with a magic ring, chain 3, and then in this ring we are going to make our first round, starting with 2 double crochets, chain 2, and that chain 2 is going to make a corner, 3 double crochets into the ring, and that 3 double crochets is going to make a side. We're going to do another corner by chaining 2, another 3 double crochets right into that magic ring, so here we have 1, 2, 3 sides, 2 corners, make another corner by chaining 2, and then 3 double crochets into the magic ring. And then chain 2, join to the beginning of that chain 3, so at the top here where that chain 3 is, we're going to join there, and then with the tail of the magic ring go ahead and pull that tight so it closes up. Now for round 2 and our final round, we are going to turn this granny square. We're going to turn our work. So now we're on the back here, and we are going to slip stitch into this corner space. So just insert your hook, pull through, pull through. So now we're in that corner, and in the corner we're going to chain 3, make 2 double crochets, and we are going to double crochet across these 3 stitches. Now we're at this chain 2 corner, and in the corner we're going to make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, all in that same chain 2 space. So there's 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochets into that same space. Again, we're going to crochet over the next 3 double crochets, or the next 3 stitches. And here we are at our chain 2 corner. Again, we're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and we're just going to work the same thing we did back here. So across 3 double crochets, and then we have another corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this side up and then meet you back over here. So here I am, almost back to the beginning. We have one side left to do. So you want to crochet over these 3 stitches. And then in the beginning here, we didn't finish the corner. We only have 3 stitches in this corner. So we're going to go ahead and make 3 double crochets into this corner. Chain 2, and then join to that very first stitch, which is the top of this chain 3. And then fasten off. And then that's it for this tail end. Since it is the magic ring, you will want to make a knot and weave it in just so it doesn't come undone. And this is the back side, so if you flip it over, this will be the front side of your square. And next, I'm going to show you how to make the 2 different colored squares. So I'm going to start with my first color, and it doesn't really matter which color you start with. And we are going to again start with a magic ring. We're going to chain up 3. We're going to make 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2 and make 3 more double crochets. And then next we're only going to chain 1. And this about makes half of our square in the first round, and this is where we're going to change our colors. But we aren't going to cut the first color off. We'll pick it up later in the second round. So I'm going to use white for my second color. And I'm just going to pull it through. And once I pull it through, this is going to count as another chain. So we chained 1 with our last color, and pulling this loop through will be our chain 2 for our corner. And now we're going to finish the square as normal. So 3 double crochets in the ring. Chain 2. Another 3 double crochet. Chain 2, and then joining to that very first stitch on top of that chain 3. And then I'm going to pull the magic ring closed, and you could tighten up anything that got loose where the color changes. So you can see this is now half and half, and we're going to turn our work and slip stitch into that chain 2 space, and then we can continue to use our white color since we are on this side, which is white. Chain 3, 2 double crochets into that same space, in that corner space. We're going to double crochet across these 3 stitches. In our corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and another 3 double crochets into that corner. And 3 double crochets across these 3 stitches. And now we are at this corner of the color change. So we are going to do half the corner in white. So we'll do 3 double crochets. A chain 1. And then at this point we can cut this first color off or the second color off. And we are going to loop through the other color, which we already have attached. Just gonna loop it through, tighten the white, and that looping through will count as a chain. So we just need to finish the corner by making 3 more double crochets into that corner. Now we're going to double crochet across in those 3 stitches. Here we are at our corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and another 3 double crochet into that corner. Crochet over the last side, over the last 3 stitches. And here we are at that beginning corner. We need to finish it up. So 3 double crochets into that corner, chain 2, and join to the top of that chain 3 in the beginning. Then here we could fasten off. Pull our magic ring tight again, and here we have our 1/2 and 1/2 square. This is the back, and then this would be the front. You would just want to make sure to weave in any of these ends, make sure they're secure. I will probably take this and go right back out from under these stitches so there's no white on this corner, and just weave it in over here on the white. And that's it. There you have your 1/2 and 1/2 granny square. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today. And if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.